Hello everyone, today we are going to continue with how to introduce ourselves. Last time, we already know how to form the sentence by using subject, verb, and object. Look at the example here. I wanna say I'm Alina. So, first of all, we have to find where's the Chinese letter, the Chinese word represent I. It's here. Where's the Chinese letter represent M? It's here. So the sentence will be 我 plus 是 plus Alina. 我是 Alina. Another example. I wanna say I like traveling. Where's I? 我. Where's like? 喜欢 Where's traveling? 旅游. So the whole sentence will be 我喜欢旅游，我喜欢旅游。Let's try another example. I wanna say I'm from South Africa. 我是来自南非。So what do you think the sentence will be? Probably you will say 我是来自南非。Last lesson, I also said 来自 it's a preposition, but most of the case it's a verb in Chinese. If you see 是 and 来自 are both verbs, delete the weak verb 是, the whole sentence will be 我来自南非。我来自南非。Today I introduced myself. I said 我是 Alina. 我喜欢旅游。我来自南非。Now it's your turn. Learn more words and introduce yourself in Chinese. See you next time.